Welcome back to A Taste of K. In this video, I'll show you how I make my Haitian Epis, which is the base to many Haitian dishes. Please keep in mind that there is no one way to make Haitian Epis, and this is the way I've been making it for about 3 years. I use garlic, thyme, oil, green onions, parsley, celery, shallots, 1 habanero pepper, green and red bell peppers, 3 sazon packets, 3 Maggi chicken bouillon powder packets, as well as yellow mustard. Add half of the fresh ingredients to the blender, add half of the oil, and blend. Add the remainder of the fresh ingredients, the seasoning packets, oil, and some mustard. I store my epis in a clean plastic bowl that has a lid and place it in the fridge. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.